Hello, in this episode of the Smile Create Repeat demonstration video, we'll be making a drawing using a Col-Erase color pencil in preparation of inking. This video is one of a two-part series. My name is Tony Luongo, artist and co-founder of Smile Create Repeat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Alright, well, I just have this light blue just because a lot of comic books and other ink illustrations use the light blue, so then when they reproduce it, the blue it's easier to make the blue disappear in the computer. So that's why I picked the blue for this one. But it can be any color you want, and you can also use whatever colored pencil color to incorporate that into your drawing. So I just started with a frame, and now I'm just going to start my drawing here. And this is the initial pencil drawing that I'm going to be inking in the part 2 of this demo, of this art lesson workshop, in a virtual workshop, whatever you want to call it. And we do have a bunch of other inking videos on our channel here, so please take a look and enjoy and let me know what you think. But this is getting ready for October, which we do a lot. There's a lot of inking going on, so we had I'm talking about Smile Create Repeat art supplies subscription box. Every month we send these amazing art supplies and a lesson. You can see the lesson here. You're already watching it, so you know about that. But we do that, and this month, this is the September surprise. And this is to get ready for Inktober, which is next month, but we want you to have the supplies for the entire month so you can really enjoy your creating with your ink. So you can still get it. The subscription's over, but we have some left over as past surprises. So if you go and subscribe, you'll be prompted to say, would you like to add a past surprise to this? So do that, and then in the notes say, they're random, but in the notes say you'd like the ink box, the September surprise. And if we have them, we'll happily send you one. And it's a great time to subscribe, because this is the home stretch. This is all small businesses are gearing up for the holidays, but we especially start September and October, because October is our anniversary. We've been doing this for 6 years, having a great time, and we like to celebrate a little bit more and thank our subscribers. So you don't want to miss that box. If you're thinking of doing it, or it's the first time you heard of us, or if you're a subscriber, get ready for a fun one. Well, they're all fun, but you get what I'm saying. It's going to be a little bit extra special. We have a couple surprises in store. Alright, so these rings are to help guide me when I start inking. So that's really, let me see if that's about it. So yep, I think that's step 1, video 1. I have a nice little pencil, light bulb, smile, and glow. And now the next part is inking this so you can actually see it better on camera. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little one, and stay tuned for video 2.